William Weld, born in July 1945, so now he's 73 years old, is an American attorney, businessman, and politician. Most notably, he served as the 68th governor of Massachusetts from 1991 to 1997. Coming from the Republican Party's Libertarian wing, he had served as the United States Attorney for the District of Massachusetts from 1981 to 1986, focusing on a series of high-profile public corruption cases, and as the head of the Department of Justice Criminal Division from 1986 to 1988. First elected governor of Massachusetts in 1990, he was re-elected by the largest margin in Massachusetts' history in 1994. Incidentally, he succeeded as Massachusetts governor, Democrat Michael Dukakis, who had served a total of 3 terms as Massachusetts governor, had even taken pride in the so-called Massachusetts Miracle of the 1980s, when many of the state's traditional blue-collar industrial jobs had been transferred into electronic and other high-technology service industrial jobs. However, in 1988, he had lost the U.S. presidential election clearly to the Republican nominee, Vice President George Bush. In 1996, he was the Republican candidate for U.S. Senator to represent Massachusetts. However, he lost to incumbent Democrat John Kerry. He resigned as governor in 1997 to focus on his nomination by President Bill Clinton to serve as the U.S. ambassador to Mexico. However, a fellow Republican, solidly and socially conservative Senate Foreign Relations Committee Chairman Jesse Helms, opposed his nomination, and he was denied a hearing before the Senate Foreign Relations Committee. Therefore, he withdrew his nomination. In 2016, he was the Libertarian Party's nominee for Vice President of the United States, sharing the ticket with Gary Johnson. Johnson and Weld were together the first presidential ticket since 1948 to consist of 2 state governors, although Weld had long before that year resigned his governorship.